naglulunod. Yun, di ba? Check, wait lang guys. Too many people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you'd find your way to me? Tell me what is the sweet sensation. Oh, may cut off. Paano mag-apply as international host? Kailangan pong nasa US ka mismo. Planation. Okay, wait. Could be that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Nawala. Oh yes. Tinanggal ko yung attack. For trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know what I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Thank you, Boss Baquero, for the help. Mas easy! Paano mag-apply? Kailangan niyo po na nasa US po kayo mismo. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Konti na lang talaga, as in. Parang hindi ko masyadong yung mid niya. Thank you. I'm using Rodecaster para recording studio. Oo nga yun yung point ng Rodecaster. Para siyang like studio talaga. And hindi mo siya maririnig like, kasi yung mga sound card natin na mono, talagang parang given na yung effects doon. Parang ganun. So ito,